The Tesla stock price is just shattering everything. It's just a wild ride. Give me a 5 day. Show me a 5 day. Show me a 1 month. Show me a 6 month. What is going on here? Show me a year to date. What is going on here? Now, I know people are just listening to this and they're saying, what are you even looking at? Well, Willie Doo likes to bring up the Tesla stock price tracker because he's the business guy on the show, and it's part of the gig. Really, we got to look at this graph, this mountain that Tesla's been creating in the stock price. I mean, it's up 11.2% year to date. What is it up in 1 month? Oh, no, wait, that's 11.2% in a day? What is that? That number doesn't move on this chart. Is that today? Anyway, look, I don't care. It's flying. It's currently sitting at $1,835.
Is it in a day? 11%?
Is it? Yes. Holy smokes. It's about 10% in 1 day. Give me the 5 day. Dude, 30% in 5 days. Look at us. We are Bloomberg now. Yeah. That's all we had to do. You see that? All you had to do was Google it.
Pick the range. And
now we are business. Anyways, $1,835 are getting close to $1,900. They're getting close to $2,000. Most of it, apparently, according to Electrek, those are your guys when it comes to, the electric vehicle reports. Apparently, Tesla's on pace to hit 500,000 car deliveries in 2020. That's a lot of cars. Well, I believe that's 500,000 cars. I believe. I don't know. You might want to dispute that. And also, they're selling cars in China, so that's why I referenced them sooner. See, I don't know what Trump's going to say about that. He's always talking poorly of China. What's he going to say? He's not always talking poorly of China. Actually, when I remember I was watching an interview shortly after the pandemic happened, he was kind of positive for a moment. And then, anyways, no, because they got a trade deal done right before the pandemic happened. He was like, you know what? Great things.
Yeah.
We're going to buy this. They're going to buy food. We're going to buy this. We're going to sell wheat. I don't remember what it was, but it was like, it was at a high point, and then just post-pandemic, well, you've seen what's happened.
Yeah, it's rough.
Anyways, Tesla is doing well in China, apparently. Dominating the EV market in China with over 11,000 deliveries in July. And they put the plant in Shanghai, the Gigafactory.
Yeah.
They're all Giga. They put the Giga in Shanghai. They can improve the delivery speed, possibly a couple chargers, possibly a couple service centers. And all of a sudden, you sell a few cars. You make a few cars, you sell a few cars, and that's tough, man. That's tough. That's around the world. That's global now. You're moving product in China. So if things continue at this pace, Tesla it appears there's no ceiling for it, which is kind of wild. I mean, a lot of people dispute this stock price. A lot of people dispute the success or the continued sustained success. A lot of people sit there and say, well, all the competitors just woke up and competition's about to get much harder for Tesla. But in the meantime, people can't get enough Tesla stock. And that's not something we can dispute because Willie Doo can highlight a chart. And we are business.